Easy on the beat, boy.
I told y'all I was gonna do it. Y'all ain't really believe it though. These believe it though. What's up, mama? Yeah. Tell them Fiji made me do it. I said Fiji made me do it.
This is one DJ you don't wanna fuck with.
RAXZ 2.